Sounds weird, but rubbing a potato skin on plants can spark unbelievable growth. Let me show you how in 3 simple steps. Step 1, use a fresh, clean potato skin. Avoid green or sprouted bits. They can be bitter and not ideal for plants. Step 2, pick a healthy leaf or the main stem on a flowering or houseplant. Young shoots respond best. Step 3, gently rub the moist inner side of the peel along the leaf or stem for 3 to 5 slow strokes. You're leaving a thin, natural coating of nutrients and starch. Step 4, water the plant so those tiny particles wash into the soil, or chop and bury leftover peels near the roots for slow release. Do this once a week for a month to see improvement. Works great on flowering plants and houseplants, but never use green, sprouted peels. Try it and watch your plants perk up. If you learned something new, like and subscribe for more easy garden hacks.